TikTok is awesome. People love videos. It's a platform where creativity meets opportunity. With millions of users worldwide, TikTok has become a hub for entertainment, education, and even business. Whether you're a dancer, a comedian, or a small business owner, there's a place for you on TikTok. Videos on TikTok are short. Short is good. These bite-sized videos capture attention quickly and keep viewers engaged. In just a few seconds, you can share a story, a joke, or a product. The brevity of TikTok videos makes them perfect for our fast-paced world. You can make money on TikTok? Yes, you heard that right. By creating engaging content, you can attract followers and monetize your videos. TikTok offers various ways to earn, from brand partnerships to the Creator Fund. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more you can earn. It's a new way to make money. Influencers are leveraging their popularity to promote products and services. Brands are willing to pay for authentic endorsements that reach a wide audience. This new form of marketing is not only effective but also lucrative for content creators. People pay for stuff they see on TikTok. The platform has a powerful influence on purchasing decisions. When users see a product being used or recommended by someone they trust, they're more likely to buy it. This makes TikTok a valuable tool for businesses looking to increase sales. You can sell your stuff too. Whether you make handmade crafts, sell vintage items, or offer services, TikTok can help you reach potential customers. By showcasing your products in creative and engaging ways, you can drive traffic to your online store and boost sales. TikTok is easy to use. The app's user-friendly interface makes it simple to create and share videos. With just a few taps, you can add music, effects, and filters to make your content stand out. Even if you're not tech-savvy, TikTok's intuitive design ensures a smooth experience. Make a video, post it on TikTok. It's that straightforward. The platform provides all the tools you need to create high-quality content. Once your video is live, it can be discovered by users all over the world. The potential for virality is immense, giving you the chance to reach a massive audience. People watch, you make money. It's that simple. Start today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Join the TikTok community and start creating content that not only entertains but also earns. The world is watching, and your next big break could be just a video away. Find your niche. What do you love? What makes you excited to wake up in the morning? Is it cooking, dancing, or maybe even sharing life hacks? What are you good at? Think about your unique skills and talents. Are you a master at makeup, a tech guru, or a fitness enthusiast? Make videos about that. People connect with passion. When you share what you love, your enthusiasm becomes contagious. Be excited about your niche. Your excitement will show in your videos. Authenticity is key. Pick a niche, any niche, just be you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what truly resonates with you and your audience. Be the best you on TikTok. Embrace your uniqueness and let your personality shine through. Your people are out there waiting to connect with the real you. Make great videos, use good lighting, edit your videos, add music, talk to your viewers, ask questions, do challenges. Be interesting, brands pay you, promote their stuff. Affiliate marketing is cool too, sell your own products, make money, money, money. Post every day. The more you post, the more people see you. Consistency is key in the world of TikTok. By posting daily, you keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. This not only helps in retaining your current followers but also attracts new ones. The TikTok algorithm favors active users, so the more you post, the higher your chances of being featured on the For You page. More views, more money. Use hashtags. Hashtags are essential for increasing the visibility of your videos. They help categorize your content and make it discoverable to a broader audience. By using trending and relevant hashtags, you can tap into existing communities and trends, boosting your chances of going viral. Always research popular hashtags in your niche and incorporate them into your posts. Hashtags help people find your videos. They act as a bridge between your content and potential viewers. The right hashtags can significantly increase your reach and engagement. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your content. Remember, the goal is to make your videos as discoverable as possible. More hashtags, more views. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. By working with other influencers, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to new viewers. This not only helps in gaining followers, but also adds variety to your content. Look for creators in your niche and propose collaboration ideas that benefit both parties. Cross-promote your videos, grow your audience faster, go viral. Sharing your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can drive more traffic to your TikTok account. This cross-promotion strategy helps in reaching a wider audience and increases the chances of your videos going viral. The more platforms you use, the more exposure you get.